Welcome to Trendy Flicks, your ultimate destination for the latest in movies, TV shows, and streaming trends. Subscribe now and stay ahead of the entertainment curve.
Idaho judge rules on Bryan Kohberger's motion to change venue in student murder trial. Trial will not be held in Idaho County, where University of Idaho student murders took place. An Idaho judge has granted suspected quadruple murderer Bryan Kohberger's request to have his trial moved out of Idaho County, where he is accused of killing 4 college students in an early morning home invasion attack. Judge John Judge's order was unsealed Monday, moving the trial to an unspecified new location, possibly the larger Idaho County, and finding that massive media coverage of the case could taint the local jury in and around Moscow, where the attack took place. Idaho County also has a larger courthouse to accommodate more members of the public and what is expected to be a large contingent of journalists. Prosecutors sought to have the trial held at the courthouse in Moscow, next to the jail, where the 29-year-old Kohberger has been held without bail since shortly after his arrest in Pennsylvania at his parents' house, roughly 7 weeks after the November 13, 2022 slaying. Kohberger's lawyers argued that the suspected quadruple murderer cannot get a fair trial in Idaho County due to extensive inflammatory pretrial publicity. Judge wrote that he based his decision on the totality of factors, including legal and logistical concerns, expert testimony, and the concerns of lawyers on both sides. This court orders a transfer of venue without specifying the new place of venue and refers the case to the administrative director of the courts for assignment by the Supreme Court to a court of proper venue in another judicial district and assignment of a specific judge to preside in the criminal proceeding. Judge wrote. Kohberger is accused of entering an off-campus rental home around 4 a.m. on that date and fatally stabbing 21-year-olds Madison Mogan and Kaylee Goncalves, as well as 20-year-olds Sana Kernodle and Ethan Chapin. Judge entered not guilty pleas on Kohberger's behalf to 4 murder charges and felony burglary at his arraignment last year. Kohberger was a criminology P student at Washington State University, just 10 miles away across the state line at the time of the murders. Police arrested him at his parents' place in the Pocono Mountains after he drove home cross-country with his dad in the weeks following the slaying. Kohberger could face the death penalty if convicted. The victims will be honored with a memorial garden on campus designed by fellow students.